So, what is the order of operations? So, basically, the order of operations are the math problems, the addition problem, the subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, and expressions that's located inside parentheses. All of that is grouped together in one sentence or one problem. That's all it is. And so, what the order of operation basically define is how do we uh, do these problems in the order so that we can better understand the problem. In other words, which problem would we do first? Which problem would we do last? Which problem would we do second? So how I was taught was by this phrase right here. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So what does that mean? So look at the first letter in each word. Look at the first letter in each word. You have a P, you have a E, M, D, A, and S. So in parentheses, so if you have an expression inside parentheses, you would take that procedure first. Okay. So anytime you have a problem with all of with all of these math operations inside of them, you do the parentheses first, the exponent second, the multiplication third, division fourth, addition fifth, subtraction sixth. That will be the order that you do. That would be the order that you're supposed to take. So you might have some problems that might not have no multiplication, or it might not have no a problem with exponent in it, or a problem with division in it. That's okay, but you still have to follow these order. You still have to follow this order. I tell you what, let's go ahead and get our feet wet. All right, so the first problem that we have here is 4 squared plus 5 times 2 minus 7 times what's in the side of the parentheses is 3 plus 2 divided by 2. And what does that equal? So where do we start? Well, the first rule said that we start what's inside the parentheses, which is a 3 plus 2, right? Which is the 3 plus 2, which is 3 plus 2, which equals 5, right? Then we still got the negative 7 times. We still have the negative 7 times that 5 next to it. Just rewriting the whole thing again. Just rewriting the whole problem over again. 4 squared divided by 2. Okay. So the next thing that's on our list is exponent. We have an exponent right here, which is 4 squared. So 4 squared is the same thing as 4 times 4. So 4 times 4, we get 16 plus 5 times 2 minus 7 times 5 divided by 2. Okay. So what is the next thing that's on our list? That'll be a multiplication. We have two multiplication signs right here. We have 5 times 2 and we have 7 times 5 right here. I tell you what, since we got a subtraction sign in the middle, let's go ahead and bring that down. You see it right here? We're going to bring it down right here. So we know that 5 times 2 is 10. 7 times 5 is 35. And again, we're just going to rewrite the problem, bring everything down, divided by 2. We also got that 16 that's over here. So 16 plus that 10, right? So what's the next thing on our list? Division. We do have a division problem right here. 35 divided by 2. We are not going to get a whole number. We're going to get a decimal number, which means that I'm going to go ahead and use my calculator. 35 divided by 2 will give us 17.5. So we have 17.5. 17.5. So again, let me go ahead and rewrite everything. Still have that minus sign right there. We had the 10, 16 plus 10 minus 17.5. What's the next thing that's on our list? We got rid of division, so now we have to go to addition. We have an addition problem right here. 16 plus 10 to give us 26 minus the 17.5. So 26 minus 17.5. Let's see. Let's use our calculator because subtraction is the last thing that is on our list. And that give us 8.5. 8.5 would be our answer. So that's how we do that. So let's tackle this other problem. We have another problem right here. Again, same procedure, same method. We start what's in the parentheses because that's first on our list, which is a 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So let's go ahead and rewrite everything. We have a 7 next to it, which tells us that this is a multiplication. Minus 4 divided by 1 plus 5 squared equals. Okay, so we don't have anything that's in the parentheses, but we do have an exponent, which is the 5 squared right here. 5 squared only means 5 times 5. We multiplying the 5 twice. That's all it means. So we get a 25 because 5 times 5 is 25. 25. I'm going backwards. Plus, we got that 1 divided by, we got that 4, and we still got that 7 times 7. So we got rid of the exponent. We got rid of what the expressions inside the parentheses. The next thing on our list is multiplication, which is right here. We have the 7 times 7, which we get 49. 49 minus 4 divided by 1 plus 25. All right. So what's next? We don't have any more multiplication, but we do have a division, which is right here. 4 divided by 1, which give us 4. Rewriting everything plus 25. Okay, so we don't have no more division. The next thing on the list is addition. We have an addition right here. 4 plus 25 will give us 29. 29. Again, we're rewriting everything. Let me go ahead and rewrite this here because my pen is acting up. I just write it over here. 49 minus 29. And that should give us 20. Would be our answer. So let's do this last one. We have one more to do, and I'll do this one here. Same procedure. Don't be alarmed just because you see an exponent outside of the parentheses, which is right here. Right? Same procedure though. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Well, only this time, don't forget we have an exponent. So let's put that exponent right on top of that. Rewrite everything. Again, rewrite everything again. And then we had a minus 42 times 2 plus 5 times 2 divided by 3. We don't have anything else to do that's inside of parentheses, but I do see two exponents, which are right here and right here. So which one do I do first? Just do it from left to right. I mean, either way you could have did it however you want to do it, but just do it from left to right. Anytime you run into a problem right there, it's best just to go ahead and do it from left to right. 3 squared is the same thing as multiplying 3 twice. So 3 times 3 is give us a 9 plus 7 times 7, which give us a 49, minus 42 times 2 plus 5 times 2 divided by 3. What's next on the list? Multiplication. We actually have 2 multiplication signs here, here and here. Plus we have a sign that's in between them. So let's go ahead and bring down that sign that's in between them. So 42 times 2 give us 84. And 5 times 2 will give us 10. Again, let's rewrite everything going backwards. Plus 9, and then don't forget to divide it by 3 over here, the division sign and the 3 over here. Right? Okay, no more multiplication sign, but we do have a division sign right here. And since we won't get a whole number, we're going to get a decimal number. Let me go ahead and use my calculator for that. So 10 divided by 3, which give us a 3 point and a whole bunch of 3's. So I'm just going to write 2 of those 3's. I'm going to write 3.33. And I just put a repeating sign over there just to let you know it's a repeating decimal. So let's rewrite everything. All right. So I'm running out of space. I'm going to write everything over here. But before I do, let me go ahead and just go on to the next thing that we're supposed to do, which is we don't have no more division. So the next thing we'll do will be addition. So I have an addition problem right here, and I have an addition problem right here. I have it right here. So 49 plus 9 will give us 58. Oh, let's go ahead and bring this sign down. Let's go ahead and bring that sign down. Yeah, so we get 58. And let me use my calculator for the 84 plus 3.33, which is 87.33. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this problem, since I ran out of room on the bottom, and put it right here. 58 minus, which is the last thing that we're gonna do, 87.33. 57 minus 87.33 will give us a negative 30.33. Negative 30.33. And that's our answer. And there you have it, the order of operations. Thank you for joining me. Check out my next video, and I'll get back to you soon.